So this triangle is given. Let us draw it again like this, and three things are given. The first one is a base, which is 5 plus 2x, and the other one, the altitude. You can draw it in the middle, but for visualization, let us keep it here to the side. So the altitude is h, or the height, it is x minus 2. And the area is given like area is x square. Then we are requested to find the value of x, right? The value of x. So from the area formula, area is base times height over 2 area of a triangle. So that means a is given x square, and we have to multiply 1 over 2 or half by the base and the height. So the base is given 5 plus 2x, and the height or the altitude is given x minus 2. So we have to close this outer bracket, and we have to multiply the inner bracket by 1/2. So 5 times, we have to expand the bracket. 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 2, 5 times minus 2, minus 10. 2x times x, it will be 2x square, and 2x times minus 2, it will be minus 4x. And let us close the bracket, and we can use cross multiplication. Then it will be 2x square is equal to 5x minus 10 plus 2x square minus 4x. Then 2x will be cancelled by 2x, because when you skip the equal sign, it will be negative, so I will cancel this one. Then this will be, we can move minus 10 to the other side, it will be 10. Then 5x minus 4x, it will be x. So we can rewrite this one, x is equal to 10. So the value of x is 10.